Hi, my name is Sadie Lokers. I am part of the internal communications team, and I go to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill.
Hi, I'm Nicholas. I'm a treasury analyst intern here at Gildan, and I study finance at Concordia.
Hi, my name is Antonia Yearwood. I am the graphic design intern for the product department here in Barbados. I just finished my bachelor's in graphic design at Barbados Community College.
Hey guys, I'm Daniel with Gildan, their Honduras campus. I'm a supply chain intern. The best place to be in the office has to be the cafeteria. You know, we have the TV over here, so we were watching some of the World Cup games.
Yo, hey guys.
Hey.
My favorite part overall of working here has to be being able to see a t-shirt's journey from start to finish.
My favorite part of being an intern here at Gildan is how hands-on it actually is. I'm really able to make an impact on the company.
The best part about being a supply chain intern has to be getting to learn how a wide variety of products are done. From the moment raw materials come into our mini plants, to the moment finished goods get shipped out to our customers all around the world.
My favorite part about working at Gildan has been the chance to meet so many amazing people across teams and learn through their experiences.